Hello everyone and welcome to your all in mathematics class. Yes, and today we are going to study this topic that median of discrete series. Okay, and here we will mainly see the first of all we will see that the discrete series is what we can understand from this term, that when the frequency of the data becomes larger, okay, that means the same observation repeats multiple times, then that type of data set we can say it is discrete series only, and such data only we will find the median here, and for that actually we need to draw the cumulative frequency also. Okay, that also we will see in the table. So let us start now. We can understand that first arrange the terms in ascending order or descending order. First of all, this work only we have to do. Now prepare a cumulative frequency table. After that we will prepare the cumulative frequency table there, and suppose that the total of frequency is n, total of the frequency be n, then if n is an odd, that means the total of the frequency is an odd number, then median formula we will use here, this formula, that value of n plus 1 by 2th term, that means n plus 1 by 2th observation. And in case if n is even, then we will use the formula that 1 by 2 into value of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. That means average of it is, you are dividing with 1 with 2, that means you are multiplying with 1 by 2. So it is an average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So this formula you can use here. Now in this question we will understand first of all the median of discrete series. So here we have the question that find the median of the following data, weight in kg, and the downside it is showing that number of boys. So 8 boys having the weight of 45 kg, that is showing 45 kg is the weight of 8 boys. So 8 is the frequency of 45 kg data, and 46 kg observation has the frequency 5 only, because 46 kg boys are in number, you can say 5 boys are there whose weight is 46 kg. Okay, similarly 48 kg, how many boys are there? 6 boys are there, and 50 kgs, 9 boys are here. So 9 is showing the frequency, that means the 50 kg occurs 9 times, that means in 9 boys there, in the case of 9 boys we are finding the weight is 50 kg. So these are frequency. So here what you have to find out, median. So first of all we will find the cumulative frequency, okay, table. So for that we can draw in this way, that they are given xi, it is xi is the data set, that is weight, and here number of boys is showing frequency, that is shown by fi is showing the frequency, and here xi I have written for showing the data. So 45 kg, you can see that 45 kg data set, the frequency have 8. So similar 8 you will write in the cumulative frequency column also. Now you will add this 8 and 5 here, my dear. You will add this 8 and 5, then here you will get total 13. So this way the consecutive frequencies you will add, then you will get the corresponding cumulative frequency. Okay, now 8 plus 5 is 13, so that you will write now here 8 plus 5 plus this 6, total you will add, then 13 plus 6 it is 19, so that same you will write here 19. So up to that step, whatever is the sum of the frequency, that you will write here 19. Okay, so if you are seeing here it is 28 written, means up to the 4th row what will be the sum of frequency, you can count that. 8 plus 5, that you will find that 8, 5, 6 and 9. The sum will be 13 plus 6, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 9, it is total 28. So this way we will form the cumulative frequency, and here the last row of this cumulative frequency is showing the total of frequency, because this you will get at the last only when you will add these two also. When you will add this whole frequency you will add, then only you will get the total of frequency, and that is only called the cumulative frequency. Last term you can say, that is showing the at the last of cumulative frequency. Now we will see that number of terms. You can see number of terms is n, which is here showing that 41. Okay, the total of frequency is only showing the number of terms. This you have to understand, that total number of terms is shown by the total of frequency. Okay, that is n is 41, therefore it is an odd number. Then we will use this formula for median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. So you have seen just that n is 41 you have got. So 41 plus 1 by 2. 41 plus 1 by 2 means you will get 42 by 2. This is 41 plus 1, 42 by 2 is 21th observation. That means median is the 21th observation. So now you can see in the table the 21th observation you will get 50 kg. Okay, you will get the 21st observation is 50 kg. Okay, now therefore the median weight is 50 kg. Now the next question you can see, the heights in centimeter of 50 students of a class are given below. Heights in centimeter of 50 students of a class are given below. Then height in centimeter here given and number of students downside in the second row it is written. So 156 centimeter is the height of 8 students and 154 centimeter is the height of 4 students and 155 centimeter is the height of total 10 students. So number of students is showing here frequency. Okay, now here you have to find the median height, that means the median of the data height. So here also based on this table given in the question you will prepare the cumulative frequency. So this is height in centimeter, first column, and this second column is showing frequency, number of students, and it is cumulative frequency. One by one you will add that. You will see here cumulative frequency, this 6 and 6 will be same, and then here you will add the 6 plus 3, then you will write that 9. Now up to this 6 plus 6, 3 and 12, that you will add only this 6, 3 and 12. So sum is total 9 plus 12, total 21 you will write here. In same way you will prepare the cumulative frequency, and the last row of this cumulative frequency 50 is showing the total of frequency, that means the total number of terms. Total of frequency is showing the total number of terms. If all the frequencies you will add, then you will get 50 only, and that is showing the total number of terms. So here this is cumulative frequency table we have drawn, and based on that we have seen the number of terms is 50. Okay, here you can see the number of terms is 50. Okay, and once you can see the table and you can draw in your copy, so that you will see that which observation will be called as the median when we will apply the formula. Okay, so here we will see that number of terms is 50 and it is an even number. Then median equals to this formula, just we have the starting only given, that 1 by 2 into n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, that you will get. So this way it is 50 by 2 is the 25th term, and 50 by 2 plus 1, that you will get 25 plus 1, it is 26th observation. So in the table now, that's why I have said to draw that table. Okay, you will see the 25th and 26th term. Okay, and that you will divide with 2, that means multiply with 1 by 2. So 25th term is here, there you will see 154, and the 26th term is 155. Okay, so that you will add only. So this way you will get 154.51, because this is total. You will find addition, then 309 by 2, then you will get total 154.5 is the median of the discrete series here given, where the frequency is larger. That means the data becomes larger because the same data repeats multiple times only. That's why frequency becomes larger. Understood? So in this way you can solve. Now you can complete the exercise 21b, question number 8 to 10 easily, of collection and organization of data chapter. Thank you all of you, and watch this nicely for understanding the method of finding median when the data is a discrete series. Okay, so thank you all of you, and have a nice day.